Hey there, coaster friends. I'm back at Kennywood. A couple of new things that showed up over the past couple of weeks, so I'm here to check those out. So let's go. So the steel drums are new for this year. You can find them right out in front of the beer garden. I like it, it's a nice touch. Steel drums have a very unique sound to them and it's relaxing. Nice chill music you can listen to while you're having a brewski. The garden theater continues to get updates. A few weeks ago, the concrete was all broken up and now they put this artificial turf down. Bleachers are still here, something's gonna go in, we just don't know what. Making prediction that maybe it's gonna be an animal themed show. That would be pretty cool. Dang, Racer is slammed. This is how it usually is. I've gotten spoiled the last couple of times. We just got off Racer. If it was not for my friend's ADA pass, we would not be riding that thing. That's a 40-minute wait. Their dispatch times are terrible on that. We were sitting and waiting for like, I swear it had to be 8 minutes. That's unacceptable. But I have to say, Racer is running really good today. I actually, in the back, got some forces going over the hills. I could actually feel being pulled. So I'm hoping that is what it's gonna be like for the rest of the year, because that was actually pretty fun. Now here's another new thing. They just put this sign up. It's the history of the Phantom's Revenge. I really like this sign a lot. It's really well done. It gives a good account of the history for anybody who wasn't around for Steel Phantom. All right, let's go!
Woo! Come on, Rocky! Give it a woo-woo!
Yeah!
I see you, woo-woo.
Woo! Phantom is running awesome as well today. That ride was amazing. I love the front. That is my new favorite seat on there. Now that I've ridden it on the front, I don't want to ride it any other way. Unfortunately, that means you have to usually wait longer. But again, we do have the ADA passes, so we were able to jump right on it. Oh, front seat on Phantom is so good. So after years and years of the fountain not operating to its full potential, it's back. It's little things like this that can really make a big impact. It just shows the park now in Hershon is really caring about the history of this place, and even little small details like that. They're fixing up the fountain after the top half of it hasn't worked in years. It looks fantastic. Exterminator, it is fun. I do really enjoy it. However, it can sometimes be rough, and I do think it depends on what car you're in, because it left its mark today. First time. Yeah, Chuck and Raquel decided to ride the plunge. And I said, have fun, guys. Yeah. You guys are crazy. All right, this is also new, the Pit Crew. Brand new musical show and interactive show for kids. They have kids come in, as you can see, drawing with all kinds of chalk all over the place. They got the dancers, there's one of them there.
Summer sunshine, here in the park and getting that tan. Summer sunshine, oh, oh. Summer sunshine, falling asleep with the corner of my hand. Summer sunshine, oh, oh.
So that was a little hint of the Pit Crew. Seemed like a cute show for kids. It was a little on the cheesy side, but I'm an adult. I'm really happy to see entertainment back at Kennywood, because they really haven't had a whole lot of it for a while. Bites Pints is back again this year. So for pass holders, you can actually get the special that allows you 15 different entries instead of the normal, 12. So I have 3 extra. And I plan on using these not all in one day, because there is no way I could eat all this in one day. I would be sick. So I'm gonna look around and see what food I want to try today. Looks like I'm going Greek. I got the gyro, or gyro, however you pronounce it. We say gyro here in Pittsburgh. Really, I want the cheesecake. That sounded amazing. Yeah, it's good. It gets a thumbs up for me. I can't wait for the cheesecake. I gave up on the fork. I'm just gonna eat it like you're supposed to eat it. Yummy. The Bites and Pints, all different ethnicities. Got Poland, France. It pretty much surrounds the lagoon. There's a couple of the other ones over by Arrow, and then there's even some way over by the stage. I have since changed my location from where I was eating the gyro. I was eating that off of a garbage can, which is kind of disgusting, but that's all that was available. All the tables were taken. But finally, I got the cheesecake. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat this. Yeah, it's good. Very sweet. It does taste like baklava. The cake is very rich, and it's actually really good with the honey sauce that they put on there. Now I just got a hint of the cinnamon. Yeah, this is really, really good. Definitely worth the wait. I might get this again one of these days. Yummy. Aren't very long anymore.
The very first year it was open, it was very, 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 very short. Like 30 seconds.
Oh, wow. Kangaroo! Always a fun one. Only one of its kind, too. I never get tired of that coaster. I could ride it all day. I really like it in the front. You can actually get a little bit of airtime. I think you get a little bit more on the front, which usually doesn't happen. It's definitely one of my favorites. Well, that is it for the day. The park is officially closed. I have closed the park down yet again. We had some great rides. I ate some delicious food. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Next video, I will be at Waldemere up in Erie. And until then, see you later.